Afternoon, Arc-Zone viewers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace on your Sharpie your diamond tungsten wheel. We have a fully assembled head on the Sharpie. Take an Allen key, 1/8, it's 2 screws, one on each side. Best way to take it off, hold down this wheel lock, take a 5/64 T-handle Allen. Be sure you don't lose the screw. Throw this one away. You have a screw, and you also have a little washer here. I like to get it started. Make sure it's flush. And remember, hold down the wheel lock, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Easy as that. Fire up.